How to fix Spotify country not showing or changing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons on why and how you might be receiving this issue. So first things first, go ahead and open settings and then tap on general and then on VPN and device management. Here, make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN or proxy services, and if connected, then go ahead and disable the VPN and then restart your iPhone and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then open your preferred browser and then in the search bar search for Spotify.com. Further, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the view account option you see there. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for country or region. So go ahead and tap on the country and region option you see there and then go ahead and change your country or region and select a new country and region, as sometimes the country might be the issue, as you usually cannot change your country or region directly inside the app, and new country only appears if Spotify detects that you are actually there. See if that helps, and if not, then in this particular interface itself, go a step back and you will see the option for manage your subscription. So tap on it, and just in case if your subscription has been expired or if you are not a premium user anymore, then you might face this particular issue. So you can simply go ahead and update your payment method. Additionally, open Spotify application on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top left of your screen and you will see the option for settings and privacy. Tap on it and scroll down and tap on the log out option. Log yourself out and then log back in, as sometimes account sync issues prevent changes. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Now, in this particular interface, scroll down and you will see the option for Spotify. Tap on it and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Spotify application. Further, tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Once deleted, go ahead and reinstall the app again from your app store, and once reinstalled, open the app and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then it simply could be because of the limit regions, as sometimes if you are moving countries, then Spotify limits your access. So you can simply wait for a few days and Spotify will be working just fine. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Spotify country not showing or changing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.